So today we're going to be putting some Schultz or underbody sealant in the back of the Caddy. So we're just going to be masking up this here because that's not going to be Schultz, that's going to be colour coded. So we're just going to use a bit of etch primer out of a can. Normally use it in the gun, but we're just doing these little bits that are in bare metal to etch it and stop from rusting. It's a new floor. It's got a haldex, four-wheel drive haldex system underneath that we'll show you a bit later on. So we're just gonna Schultz in the back here just to give it a bit more protection when you're chucking stuff in the back, and a bit more soundproofing. It's got sound deadening on underneath, which we'll show you a bit later on. So let's get into it. So I just masked up along there, nothing special because it's got going hybrid primer yet. Hybrid primer, if you don't know, is just a really thick primer that you put on and you wet flat with 800 and then 1200 to get a better finish. So we're just going to be just etching anything that's bare metal, which I'm pretty sure that was the only bit there. So fortunately I can't record and do stuff at the same time because I've only got my phone on at the minute until I get a GoPro mount. But I'll try and mount this somewhere so you can watch me do it basically. Try Schultz the back, give it a bit of a clean before we do it. So, yeah. So on here we have panel wipe, not degrease, it's just a panel wipe, just get the dust off. If you're doing painting on the panel, you're not using on and off cloth, but we're only underbody sealant, so it's not really going to matter too much. I just want to get the worst of it off really, so Schultz can stick. It's only underbody sealant, it'll cover quite a lot. So this is stuff we're using. It's a U-pole, Gravitex, and it's overpaintable, overcoverable and overpaintable, so you put this in the back and we'll paint it the same colour as the body, and it will look smart. There it is, finished. I had to water down the Schultz a bit, just to get it to come out a bit better. And there she is. She's not there to look a diamond, but be painted the same colour as the truck. So yeah.